Track 9. Fancy Spinach Chicken Salad. Inspired by Drake Fancy. Ingredients: 2 cups of spinach, 6 ounces of grilled chicken, 1/4 cup of shredded carrots, 1/4 cup of sliced cucumbers, 1/4 cup of cherry tomatoes, 1/2 cup of strawberries and blueberries. Optional, 1 ounce of walnuts. This recipe provides 410 calories, 13 grams of total fat, or 17% of your daily value, 3 grams of saturated fat, 15% of your daily value, 0 grams of trans fat, 265 milligrams of cholesterol, 88% of your daily value, 920 milligrams of sodium, 40% of your daily value, 29 grams of carbohydrate, 11% of your daily value, 11 grams of fiber, 39% of your daily value, 0 grams of sugar, 50 grams of protein, 100% of your daily value. This fancy spinach chicken salad calls for spinach as the base of the meal. The darker leafy green will provide more nutrients than the typical iceberg lettuce. The grilled chicken will provide an excellent source of protein, but if you're vegetarian, you can substitute with tofu or beans or nuts and seeds. Stay fancy and healthy with this simple, delicious, nutritious hip-hop dish. Directions: spray non-stick pan with olive oil and heat skillet on medium-high. Season chicken and grill each side for about 6 to 7 minutes. Add all the ingredients in a mixing bowl, toss, and add dressing.